you'll need to create an Attune project. If we go to the right, a drop-down will appear where we can select Create, and we can type in the project name here. We're now in our new project. Before creating the blueprint, we're going to create some of the parameters we're going to need. If we navigate to parameters, we can then select from here. We want a Windows node to connect to, and we need Windows credentials so that we can log into the machine. The details of the node or the login credentials at this point, as we're only creating the placeholders. Now we're ready to begin scripting our Attune blueprint. Go to Blueprints in the Design section and create your blueprint. Let's start creating the Attune steps for your automated procedure. For this blueprint, we're going to divide the steps into Download Installer, Run Installer, and Cleanup Installer. We also want to write these steps so that they're idempotent. We can run each step repeatedly without changing the result. To download the installer, we need a step to connect to the node as an administrator and run a PowerShell script. So we go to Add, select Execute Windows Script, name our step, configure the parameters, configure the interpreter, and write our script. It's best practice to declare your script variables so that the body of the script is reusable and any future updates to the variables are easy and quick to maintain. Before downloading the file, confirm that the software hasn't already been installed. This is just good practice. If the software isn't installed, download the file and ensure you're printing plenty of logs, as they'll be handy when running the job and reviewing the historical logs. Similar to the download step, the install step will also connect to the node as an administrator and run a PowerShell script that follows. Declare the variables. Check if the software has already been installed. Install the software, then confirm that the software was successfully installed. Finally, we'll create a step to clean up the installer files that were downloaded. And that's our blueprint design complete. It's really that simple.